Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this roasted pumpkin and tomato soup. It's super easy to make and it will keep you warm on cold days. And trust me, you need to try this recipe. It's a favorite here at home. It's snowing outside today, so it's the perfect day to be inside in the kitchen. Let's start by chopping the onions and the tomatoes. For this recipe I'm using 2 onions and 750 grams of Roma tomatoes. Besides the onion and the tomatoes, we will also use 4 garlic cloves. And of course the pumpkin. I don't need to cut a pumpkin today because I'm using frozen pumpkin cubes, about 900 grams. Now that everything is chopped, we will place it all on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And we're going to spread everything out nicely. You can leave the garlic cloves in their skin. We will remove them after roasting. And then season it with salt and pepper and drizzle it with a good amount of olive oil. Now it's time to put these into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes. The vegetables are ready when they look something like this. Remove the garlic cloves and set them aside. Take a large soup pot, add a little olive oil and about 140 grams of tomato paste. And then add the roasted vegetables. Next, squeeze the garlic cloves out. Just be careful, you might still be a little bit hot. Now we will add the broth. I'm using 1.5 liters of chicken broth. I recommend using chicken broth because it gives more flavor, but of course you can also use vegetable broth if you prefer. Next, we will blend everything with a hand blender until smooth. After that, add 250 milliliters of cream. And then I'm going to mix it again because I want to make sure that the soup is nice and smooth. And that's it, your soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I personally like to serve it with a grilled cheese sandwich for a cozy warming lunch. And I'm going to enjoy mine now. See you next time.